So what's amazing is, even outside where Jessica lives, she's used the containers to grow vegetables. It's brilliant.
这些都是我用那些老的木板来弄的，然后在外面种的那些。
他们家的花园啊，这有个小花园是挺好的，是吧？嗯。
But they only want the flies.
Okay. So that's really interesting. So this, if I won't touch it,
Oh yeah, you can.
You can touch it.
Yeah.
Something like an insect you don't want, like a black fly,
Yeah.
a white fly, something like that. This plant will go chum and eat it. And Jessica's saying that the reason the flowers are so high is because it doesn't want to hurt the good insects like bees,
Yeah.
butterflies, pollinators.
Yeah.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, plants.
I've
are
never
amazing.
seen that. I've never seen that.
Yeah, I love this one. Actually, it's gotten rid of all of them. Because when you have a lot of plants, especially house plants, you get a lot of these.
A lot of insects, yeah? Like mites,
Yeah.
We call them mites,
Little
little
like
mites,
black
yeah?
flies.
Yeah.
This is my precious. I've raised this for the past 5 years. And it's, yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? Guo Yi. Guo Yi's our trusty filmmaker again. Guo Yi, can you show this plant here? This is very special. You see here, look at this amazing flower. And Jessica's mother has been taking care of this for 10 years?
Yeah.
10 years. Do you know what's the name? Tanhua.
Epiphyllum.
An epiphyllum.
It's in the same family as dragon fruits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it looks exactly the same, and actually the dragon fruit blooms are exactly the same as these ones as well.
Yeah. Beautiful, really beautiful. And a cactus too.
Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing, Jessica. And in the garden, can we go to the garden? I just went down and had a look at the garden too, because what's really interesting is in amongst all the flowers, Jessica and her family have grown lots of vegetables too, mixing them together. So can we have a look at that? So here we've got melon, more chilies, and here, this is beautiful. We call it, in English it's courgette, in other countries it's zucchini.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah. What's the Chinese?
西葫芦.
西葫芦。
Oh, have you met Cici the dog? Cici, say hi, come say hello.
Oh, so she actually really likes them peas. Cici, come on, crunch.
And she's eating, what's
最
it?
喜欢吃豆。
豌豆，豌豆，豌豆。
豌豆，会觉得很爽。
不吃苦豆了哈，吃豌豆了啊。
More vegetables, look, lettuce. And then here we've got, this one's cucumber, boiled cucumber. In front, the yellow flowers and the orange. Jessica's planted these because they keep the insects away from the vegetables. So they're very pretty, but they're also very useful.
Calendula is quite good for skin as well. You can make a salve.
Yes.
Or a calendula oil is very good for skin.
Yes.
And it's a natural medicine.
Yeah, it's very good, yeah.
Yeah.
Should we go down to the...
Yeah, I want to show you one of
Oh, you want to check, like make it blue?
Blue, yeah.
It's copper. They like, you can put a piece, like some coins.
Oh,
It's copper. That will change the colour. Yeah.
that's somewhere actually. Yeah. This is the Italian courgette.
Yeah.
This one? It's like the squash blooms, you can actually eat them as well.
In
You
here?
can eat the whole plant.
Yeah. This is a peony, the Chinese flower, peony. Beautiful, but it's finished now. But more tomatoes.
Looks like a little
That's
pumpkin.
beautiful. Is that from here?
Yeah.
Wow. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, it's the Italian courgette. So these are really good for like I've seen people that cut it and make it into a bowl and they stuff it. So this is really good for stuffed courgette.
Stuff. Yeah. How do you say that?
大圆西葫芦.
This is basically it's called a palette, and it's how when you have something delivered, it comes on this. But Jessica's painted it, and she's growing these chives.
Spring onions.
Spring onion.
Yeah.
小葱，小葱。
Yeah. So that's a really clever way. Instead of throwing this away,
Yeah. And it's vertical, so it saves
it's
space.
vertical. But normally it's the other way. But this is save space because it's vertical. I think that's really clever. I've never seen that.
Really?
Yeah. It's really good.
Jessica 利用所有的这个那个木头的这些东西啊，
Very creative.
玩可就它有发明啊，
环保。
环保。
手瓜。
What's this one?
Chayote. It's called the Buddhist time squash, and they're climbers.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of Asian recipes have them. They're quite good.
For a lot of Asian cooking.
Yeah, Asian recipes.
What's it again the name? Buddha's not.
手瓜.
扶手瓜。
So she always puts straw.
Oh yeah, so that's to keep the moisture in.
Yeah.
And mulch.
Yeah.
They go in mulching.
Yeah, mulching there. But finally, we want to show you these because Jessica has grown these and she's given them to Guo Yi and me. So thank you so much.
You're very
That's really
welcome.
amazing. Thank you.